Good morning. Yep, we are back to our biography projects. Some of you started working on it at school. Well, all of you started working at it at school, but some of you had written it down, and those papers are at school, and I'm so sorry. Don't worry, I'll work with you. You didn't lose anything. It's all in your head, and we're going to make this real simple. It'll be good. So, as you know, a biography is when we look at someone's life and then we find important facts about them. So we're looking at getting basic facts like what was their childhood like, where was their education, and why the person's important, and major accomplishments. Also, we talked about how fun it would be to put fun facts about them. So here's an outline, and I have some things highlighted, and one of them is some things are due on Friday. Because you are just getting this, I will only require the second one to be done. So I definitely need you to get the second one done. So let's go over what's the expectation. You're looking online for two different sources. And when you are using the sources, you're taking screenshots of them. And the reason you're taking a screenshot is I'm going to show you later how to collect the information that shows where you got it from. Okay? So try to find two sources. Number two, you need to have multiple, meaning more than one, pictures of each stage of their life. Miss Clardy, I can't find any pictures of them when they are a child. Okay, look a little harder. There's probably like at least one picture. If you're dealing with an older person, there might not be like 50 pictures, but there's probably a few, okay? So try to get pictures of them at all stages of their life. Don't get frustrated if you, let's say you found early childhood where they're like little kids, you found a picture of them in junior high, and then you didn't find a picture of them until they're like 60 years old. Okay. What you find is okay. I can assure you it's really okay. Okay. The third thing that you want to do is that you just basically want to take notes. When you take notes, it doesn't mean copy the words word by word. Number one, it doesn't make sense. And number two, it's called plagiarizing. Plagiarizing is stealing. It's like going in the store and taking something that doesn't belong to you. Okay? This is why when you are looking online, Miss Clardy said take a screenshot so we can give credit to the person that actually did it. Okay? So, again, try to get as much done as you can by Friday, and I will accept whatever you turn in on Friday. This form right here is just a worksheet that's going to help you stay organized. And I want to show you right up here, it says Source 1. There's another sheet that looks just like it, except look what it says. It says Source 2. Okay? I just wanted to point that out so you didn't say, Miss Clardy, you gave me a couple sheets like this. Anyway, down here, it gives you some ideas of what to look for. It says when they were born, where they were born, their family life, did they have brothers and sisters, that kind of thing, and interests or hobbies. Sometimes they put it in there, sometimes they don't. This is just an outline, okay? So that's the main section. Now, let's say you're finished with that already. You can go ahead and do this one. This is like young adult life, and I'm going to let you define that. In other words, maybe your person that you picked is 40 years old. And so young adult life might be when they're 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, whatever. Okay? So that's what that is. Maybe your person is 8 years old and therefore doesn't have a young adult life. That's okay. That's okay. Again, remember, this is what? Source 1, right? And then on the next page it says, yep, you got that right. If you have any questions, leave them for me. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing what you did this week. Please upload your information on Friday.